So I'm thinking about braiding. I can probably catch this as much as I can, but I'm thinking it may be better to just use a net, a little bit of net back here, so that way we're not sewing on to just your hair since it is broken off, and kind of damaged. And that way we'll relieve the tension on your natural hair with a little bit of the weaving net. And the same thing for the sides. The edges and stuff, we don't want them to break out more because they're real sensitive right now.
Okay. Hey, Rose.
Hey, Dave, what you got there?
You know what I got, Rose? I got fruits and vegetables. What them plums you talking about?
Let's take a couple
I
of
ain't got no
pictures.
plums today, Rose. I was just singing that. Recruited by a college football team, ain't I?
Yeah. Coach Zelman said the recruiter gonna be coming by to talk to you if you sign the permission papers.
Thought you supposed to be working down at A&P. You supposed to be working down there after school?
Okay, so these edges
gonna hold my job
and
for me
these
till after
coming
football season.
down.
Say start
Instead
next
of
week,
that.
I don't work weekends.
Boy, I thought we had an understanding about this
Release
football.
all the tension
You
and
supposed to
stuff.
keep up with your chores,
on the
hold your job
edges.
down there at the A&P. You ain't been around here all day on a Saturday. Ain't none of your chores done. Now you come telling me you done quit your job?
We're gonna be working weekends.
You damn right you are. And ain't no need to work after school and play football too.
Team needs me, that's what Coach Zelman
I
said.
don't care what nobody say. I'm the boss. You understand? I'm the
You
boss.
just say she a good woman. We hanging out there like that. Why you telling me she a good woman? She loves you, Troy. Rose loves you. You saying I don't measure up. That's what you're trying to say. I don't measure up because I'm seeing this other gal. I know what you're trying to say.
I know what Rose means to you, Troy. I'm just trying to say I don't want to see you mess up.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate that, Bono. You was messing around on Lucille. I'd be telling you the same thing.
That's all I got to say. I just say that because I love you both.
Yeah. You know me. I wasn't out there looking for nothing.
You can't find a better woman than Rose. I know that.
Seem like this woman that's stuck on me where I can't shake her loose. I done wrestle with her and try to throw off her, but now she's stuck on tighter. Now she's stuck on for good.
You's in control. That's what you tell me all the time. You responsible for what you do.
I ain't ducking the responsibility of it as long as it's sitting right in my heart that I'm okay. Because that's all I listen to. They tell me right and wrong every time. And I ain't talking about doing Rose no bad turn. I love Rose. She done carried me a long ways, and I love and respect her for that.
I know you do. That's why I don't want to see you hurt her. But what you gonna do when she find out what you got then? If you try to juggle both of them, sooner or later you gonna drop one. That's common sense.
I know what you're saying, Boy. I've been trying to figure a way to work it out.
Work it out right, Troy. I ain't trying to get all up between you and Rose's business, but work it so it come out right.
Hell, I get all between you and Lucille, business. And when you gonna buy that woman that refrigerator she be wanting? And don't tell me you ain't got no money. I know where your bank is. Melon don't need that money as bad as Lucille want that refrigerator. I know that. want to talk to me in months. You didn't want to talk to me last night. You didn't want no parts of me then. What you want to talk to me about now?
Tomorrow's Friday.
I know what day tomorrow is. Think I don't know tomorrow's Friday? My whole life I ain't done nothing but look to see Friday coming, and you got to tell me it's Friday.
I want to know if you're coming home.
I always come home, Rose. You know that. Ain't never been a night I ain't come
I
home.
don't mean you know it. I want to know if you're coming straight home after work.
I got cash my check, hang out and tails with the boys, maybe play a game of chess.
Try, I can't live like this. I won't live like this. You live on borrowed time. We've been going on 6 months now. You ain't been coming home.
I come home every night of the year. That's 365 days.
I want you to come home tomorrow after work.
Rose, I don't mess up my pay. You know that. I take my pay, I give it to you. I don't have no money but what you give me back.
Alright, this is the hair we're going to be using for the sew-in weave. It is timeless, all-in-one, classy 12-14 inch. Ultra. Got this hair comes with the closure for the back.
Out of that new refrigerator. Yeah, Rose told Lucille you had finally built your fence, so I figured we'd call it even. I knew you were. Yeah. Okay. I'll be talking to you. Yeah, good to see you, Bono.
Oh, Bono?
Yeah. Okay, Troy.
Gotta get by. Bill, what can I do that?
I just want to be me. You can't be nobody but who
So
you
I'm
are,
just going
Corey.
to sew.
That shadow wasn't nothing but you growing into yourself. You have got to grow into to cut it down the picture, but that's all you got to make the life with. That's all you got to measure yourself against the world out there. Your daddy wanted you to be everything he wasn't. And at the same time, he wanted you to be everything he was. Now, I don't know if he was right or
Okay, so got this weave net sewn. Protect these edges.
Half cell is Army. You know, Bruce?
Good, we good.
Pop, stop racing about all the time.
was gonna ride with him, and we're gonna go get that money.
Or you're gonna kill me.
That's what he wants. What he wants me to do. But I told him for $10,000 we can make a new plan. You want your boy, and I want $10,000. Carla, you have to get out of this field and lock the door.
No.